Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make a heart macrame wall hanging. We have kits for these wall hangings that include the cord pre-cut to size, a dowel and written instructions. The link is in the description box below, so check that out if you're interested. To start off, I'm using 12 pieces of cord 100 cm long and I'm making 12 lark's head knots. Fold each cord in half, pull it down from the back of the dowel and pull the ends through the loop. Next, make a square knot using 4 cords after the first 4. To see how to do this in detail, click the link at the top of the screen or in the description box below, then come back to this point once you have practiced square knots. Make another square knot on the other side. For the next row, skip the first 2 cords and make 2 square knots on each side. Using all the cords, make 6 square knots on the next row. Now skip 2 cords and make 5 knots across. Make another row of 6 square knots. Make one more row of 5 square knots. After the first 4 cords, make 4 square knots. Skip 6 cords on the next row and make 3 knots. Then make 2 on the next row and 1 last square knot in the center to finish off the heart. Now you can trim the cord and tie an extra piece to each side of the dowel to hang it. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.